Ray, you hurt my pride. You hurt my pride. I had to do something. So I went to your girl. I hollered at your girl. And she got the love that I had for you and translated it back to you, and it all went weird. But I'm saying, we can't fix that. I mean, you gonna continue to swerve me? You gonna continue to swerve me though? Knowing this is the outcome of you swerving me? I promise you, y'all. This is, come on, man. You don't see this for what it is? You're not gonna take no responsibility for this shit. Really? I'm talking about you and us and what we could have been. You know what I'm talking about. We do this every lifetime. Every time we do this over and over. Why? Why you curve me, yo? Stop curving me, yo. I'm your man. Damn. Shit. Need to stop this bullshit for real. I'm your man. I'm your man. Like, I'm just saying, why you gotta keep curving me? Like, fuck out of here. I can't fuck with love, cause shit happens. What could you prove to me? What could you do for me that I can't do for me? I'm your man. Yeah, and it panned it out like this because of you. I'm gonna wait till you catch up and understand it. Like, you hit some weed. I bet you if you hit some weed, you gonna understand what I'm talking about. Right now, you way too sober. Sometimes when you drink, you feel it, but when you need to smoke, then you can understand what I'm saying, yo. Hit the blunt. I don't even know if you ever smoked before, but hit it. You'll understand what I'm saying. And call me. You could just fucking inbox me, get my number, stay in touch with me. Call me. Stop curving me. How you gonna go against me? Yeah, you can't understand me unless you hit that weed. You gotta hit the weed, right? Right. Right. We gonna act like you don't know what I'm talking about? For real? That's crazy, man. You acting lost, talking about too much. You lost. You ain't lost. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. You not smoking weed, sir? Okay, do you smoke, though? Do you smoke? Ray, do you smoke, though? No, weed is very good for your lungs. Very good. Oh, my God. Is there a reason why you do not smoke, Ray? I'm talking about marijuana. Is there a reason why you don't smoke marijuana? I'm talking to Ray, y'all. Don't be rude. I'm talking to Ray right now. You don't like it? Tell me what you don't like about it. Just tell me. I mean, come talk to me. love when you talk to me. Come so. Then how come it feels so good, Nigerian? How come it never killed nobody ever in history? It never killed not one person in history ever. That's the question. Oh, I love the red. I love the red. I love that red. I ain't gonna lie, I like the red.
What is wrong with you?
What did you go with the red?
I do this every winter.
No, like, the winter, it's like the fall, the fall, it's a fall thing. Going into the lower chakras.
I don't think it has anything to do with that.
So the red has something to do with the season?
I don't know. I just do it every winter.
Every winter?
Yeah.
Look. What colors are here?
It's red. What's wrong with you? What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. I should have been your man. But this is the outcome of you swerving me that night. You looking at a reality that is only a possibility of what would happen if you swerved me that night. This is only what happens but had you gave me the love that I needed, I wouldn't be the guy before you right now.
That's not true.
I have to ask you why. Why did you do that to me? Why didn't you just love me? Was I not good enough? What was you going through that you couldn't recognize me?
You were aggressive.
Was I aggressive?
Yes.
Or did you misread me?
No, you were aggressive and you were drinking. I don't.
But you didn't even look at me.
Yes, I did.
You didn't look at me. You never looked me in my eyes.
I did.
You never looked me in my eyes. And that's the problem. You never really looked me in my eyes and gave me a chance.
Dude.
You never gave me a chance.
What is this about? Like, what are you doing?
Okay, we gonna act like we don't know. All right.
Dude, that was years ago.
What is a year to infinity? Like,
we are two very different people.
Do you know that's just a blink away? A blink away in the universe. We talking about that was that was a blink ago.
I don't believe.
In my mind, I can go there in a blink.
I don't believe the way that you believe.
That was a blink ago. Can you remember?
I remembered.
Okay, so why you putting years on it when it's a blink ago? I mean, think about it. It's a blink about it. Like,
you're high.
And you know what? I've never been clearer. I can see everything from up here.
Super high.
I never knew until I got up here. When I got up here, I was able to see everything.
¿Dónde está mi papá? I'm in Mexico with my family.
Oh my God, and you still thinking of me.
It came up twice and it said,
but I'm never going to let go.
I'm never going to let go. You.
But I'll never let go. Even if you curved me, I'll never
It said Avatar Hadou mentioned you or something, and I clicked on it. I didn't know who Avatar Hadou was.
Okay, listen. I'm trying to tell you, it don't matter how you disguise the name, I will never let go.
I don't even know what to say.
I will never let go.
I didn't know you were holding on.
I'm always here.
Mi tía, ¿no sabes a dónde fue mi papá?
my God, the way you transform and speak that other language, that shit is sexy as hell. Oh my God, that was so sexy.
Oh, ¿no se fue con sus suegros? ¿Ya están celebrando?
Oh my God.
Ahorita. Look,
That's so
I'm
different.
I'm in Mexico visiting family, and I came in
You
here.
Mexican?
It said,
You Mexican?
I came in here because it said Avatar.
Oh, you are Mexican, aren't you? I never got to get to know you. Oh, I really wish I could have got to know you.
I came in here because it said Avatar Hadu mentioned you.
She does have my nose.
Who
Yeah.
said I have your nose? I don't even.
Somebody in the chat said that, and that's so crazy. We have the same nose.
No, we don't.
I'm starting to notice you.
I only came in here because I saw that. I did not know whose page this was or anything. And
But
as
we
soon
should
as
have got to know each other at least. I'm sorry for being aggressive. I was young. And I was looking for you. And I was frustrated.
I'm not going to do this on Instagram Live.
Can we talk off of here?
For what? Eligio? What's wrong?
I need to talk to you.
Why?
Because I just need to. I need to always talk to you. I need to talk to you like every day of my life. Every day. I need to be with you, like literally.
No, you don't.
Trust me.
Gerard is not gonna like this.
I don't even care.
Hi,
Gerard
Malia.
was a feeling. Gerard was a feeling. A feeling. He was. This is the alternate reality of what it would have been. This is only the alternate reality of what it would have been.
You want to see the village that I'm from?
This is the alternate reality, but we still connect anyway.
See the village I'm from?
Oh wow! What part of Mexico?
Mexico.
Amazing. You know, I was living in Mexico for 2 years.
Michoacán, Mexico.
Looking for you.
No,
Obviously.
you weren't.
Looking for you. I've been looking for you and looking for you and everybody. I've been with so many women looking for you.
No, you haven't.
I've been with so many women looking for you.
I'm going to get off of here now. Déjalo, Michoacán. Oh, sorry. My dad's correcting me. Déjalo, Michoacán.
I came to Mexico looking
Dije Michoacán, México, porque este es el estado, ¿verdad? Oh. Pero nadie conoce Tejaro, Dad. Es un pueblito.
Oh my God, this woman is really Mexican.
My dad.
Oh.
No.
That's why. Oh my God, I had you. I found you.
I'm going to go now. I'm not doing this with you on Instagram Live.
Oh.
This has gotten ridiculous.
Get off of here. Let's go.
I am getting off of here.
Okay, you got my number, right?
I do not. I don't know why I would.
Can you
why
text
would I have your number?
Just say fuck you to me so I can send you my number. Box. Whatever you need to say, fuck you, bitch, or whatever. Just say that, and then I'll...
I don't even talk like that. I've never talked to you like that.
Nah, you never. You've been very, very, very elegant in your cursings. very elegant in your cursings.
Go now.
Where,
I came on here because I didn't know who you were. I don't even think I'm following you. I don't even know why.
do you know who I am now?
Eligio Bishop.
But do you know what that means to you? Do you really know what that means to you? Oh my God. Do you know what that means to you?
I don't.
That name means more than you can ever imagine.
I don't know what you're smoking. I'm sure it's really good. It seems to be.
Let me stop fucking with you. I know you can imagine it. I know you could. It's that bro nigga moment. Let me tell you something about me. I do what the fuck I want. When I want. Whenever I want. Because I'm the king. I'm the king. I do what I want. When I want. And my woman always let me do what I want. My woman always let me do what I want. She promotes it. She promotes it, I do what I want. And still stays loyal to only me. Because her love is unconditional. You couldn't touch me, Nikki. You don't vibe that high. And you know it. But be on your level. And be on that level and be grateful. Because I'm grateful. Believe that. Believe that. Oh, shit.
So I love that. I love to see you on here smoking, to the people.
Yeah. I didn't even know what the fuck I was missing until I hit that shit. You feel me?
Yeah. Now we got a better reason to even build in person. Like we got to smoke, just vibe out, and just communicate.
Right.
give us something also to like sit back and slow down, because a lot of the stuff between us was always fake shit. You know what I mean?
Right.
Growing, both got a lot of time. I think it's better for the culture and better for us. Still sharpen still. You feel me? I just came on here to show some love back and let everybody know, let my followers know, let everybody on your page know that I got nothing but love for you. I rejoice when I see you. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
I love doing your thing.
Thank you for bringing your spirit upon my screen. Yakin is my God.
Everybody talking about how they feeling. What's some philosophical stuff? What about build for the